Okay, welcome back to the training. This is step 4. What we're going to be doing here is that I'm going to be showing you how to import the home page from the template kit to your website, and how to edit the home page to look the way you want it to look, right? Very, very simple stuff. So just pay close attention. So yeah, go to pages. Go to pages, right? Go to pages. So this is the first time. I want you to pay real close attention now, because we are going into something that is more practical. So now this is our home page, right? You go to edit, you can right click, open link in new tab. I like to do it that way. So you click on edit. All right. So it's going to show up like this. And you just click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So this might take a little bit of time to load up. You understand? So you just have to wait for it to load up. So just give it a bit of time. It's going to show like this for a while, then it will now open up eventually. Totally. So let me just allow it for a while. Okay, so we are in. We are in right now. So the next thing we want to start doing is I want to start editing our home page of our website. So how do we do that? Let me just close this first. First thing I want to do is, I don't want all of this stuff, this precious art station, blah, blah, blah. I don't want them showing. So I just come to settings, go to your left-hand side of your screen. The bottom, you're going to see things like updates and some other icons. And if you scroll over them, you see what they mean. So just click on settings. See page layout is on default. Click on the drop down, select Elementor Canvas. Elementor Canvas. So what does that mean is that it's going to give us a blank space that we can now start, working on, right? So the next thing we want to do now is that we want to import what? We want to import our home page. We want to import our home page. So come here, click on Envato Elements. You can see the template kit we installed. So just click on it. Good. Now it has brought us here. So let's look for the home page. Now this is the home page. Okay. So I'm going to click on Insert Template. So we're going to wait for it to import. It's going to take a little bit of time. Then it's going to import. Okay, so it's still loading up. It's soon going to like be done with. It's soon going to be done with. So let me just why is it delaying now? Yeah, of course it can delay though, because it's actually huge. It's actually huge. It's like an entire page. So with all the pictures and everything on it. So it's actually huge. So all you need to do is just wait it out, right? Just calm down, wait for it until it is done. All right, it is done installing. It is done. I've imported it. So this is our home page now. But as you can see, the way the color is showing, right, is not it's not as nice as what it is in the original. It's not as nice as it is in the original. So we want to do something about that. So what do we do? There's something we did not import. First of all, update this. Click on update. So whatever you are doing, always try to update, so that maybe in case anything happens, in case your laptop goes off, in case anything happens, you don't lose your work. So just click on update. So let's come back here now. Let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So we'll go to Elements, go to Installed Kits. Okay, I want to quickly show you something. Click on View the Install Kit. So see this stuff now, global kit styles. These are the global theme styles configured through Elementor theme style area. So we need to import this if we want the website to be showing like this entirely. You understand? Because this is the styles that was designed, that was worked on, that was developed, you know, for this particular template kit to appear the way we want it to appear. Okay, so I'm going to click on import template. That's imported. Now let's come back here to our this is our guy here where we're editing the home page. All right, so I'm going to click on I'm going to refresh this now. Reload this page. Let me reload the page. So you're going to see the difference now. To give it a bit of time, let's give it a bit of time. Okay. You can see it now, right? It's not looking sweet. You can see that it's looking like the original, what we saw, right? It's looking like the original. It's looking like the original, okay? So all what do we need to do now? Very simple. Just start editing all of these things and put your own informations. You understand? Editing and put your own information. I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. Okay, so how do you do that? You see all of this stuff here on the left-hand side. You see Elementor. You see all of this stuff. You see elements. All of these stuff are called elements. All of these stuff are called elements. Okay. What is the work of an element? All of, these are things that you add to your pages. The things that are going to be on your pages are called elements. So from inner section to heading, like this stuff. Now, this fast shipping with quality service is a heading. Okay. To image, this is an image, right? To video, to button, this is a button. These are buttons to, spacer, to divider, and a lot of what have you. Okay, these are things that you use to, when you add these things to your website, they make a lot of sense. Okay, these are lots and lots of them. You can see this stuff now. That see this stuff here. Let me show you again. You see pro. See what's this now? See pro, right? This pro means if we didn't import, if we didn't install that Elementor Pro, you might not be able to have access to all of these things, everything here, from here going down. You might not be able to have access to all of them. And they are important, if you're doing your job. You understand? So you might not be able to have access to all of these things, all these elements that you could add to your website and make them look great. Okay, so that is why it is important to have Elementor Pro. Okay, so how do you now start editing? I don't want this video to be very long. I want it to be straightforward and illustrate your points. All you need to do to edit what you want to edit. If you want to edit text, just scroll, go to that particular, just place your mouse on what you want to edit and just click on it. If you click on it, it's going to open here. It's going to open here. Just type what you want to type. I will just type welcome to, what's the name of this website? Precious Ad Station. That's it. I'm already editing my website now, like this. Okay, I want to edit this one. I click on it. It will open here. I can now say fast and sure, or fast and profitable ad services. You get, I'm editing everything now. Click on the next one. You type whatever you want to type. You can say we offer advertising services. You can see why I said it's very simple. Within a few minutes, you are done. Within a few hours, you're done. We have offer advertising services on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, I'm just adding all these things from my head. YouTube. What else? What else? What else? TikTok. Tick. TikTok, etc. And with this, we can give you. We can send lots of traffic, leads, and sales to your business. Full stop. You can see, then you click on update. Don't forget, click on update to update it. All right, so the next thing, you want to edit this button now. Just come here, just click on whatever I want to edit, type in what you want. You can say see packages, or say our packages, right? And come here, you can leave this one at contact us. This one now, once you design, maybe our packages is on your service page, you can now come here and put the link of your services page here, right? And this one to your contact us page, you put the link. You see here, they say link. You put the link here. All right, I'm going to show you later. Maybe when I'm going to design one extra page for you, so that I'm going to put the link where necessary, so you see it. So click on update. All right, okay, what next do I want to change? Okay, I don't really like the color of this website. I want to be changing the color, like the background color is black. Can I change the background color to white? How do I do that? What do I need to do? The text color is green. Can I change it to orange? Can I change it to red? You come here. You can see here, these three lines here. Beside edit button, just click on it. You can see site settings. Look at it there, site settings. Click on it. It's going to bring you here. You can see now global fonts, global colors. Select global colors. You can see now, see your global colors here. So if I want to change this, I like the black, right? But I want to change this accent to, let me change it to orange or red. So you can see, only I click on the color, it brought me here. So I changed to red. Okay, let me drag this on here. So it will be pure red, right? Then I click on update. It has been updated. Let me scroll down first and see if there's any change. You can see now the button here has changed. You can see some of the text has changed. You can see some things did not change. Those things that did not change, and anything that doesn't change is either they want me to change them manually, or they are not they are images. They are like images that you are downloaded. You understand? So if I also want to change the background color, see the background color, you see the background here. If I click on it, let's say I want to change the background color to deep blue or something. You can see that it has changed. Right, it has changed, but I like the background color that we have. You can see the background color has changed. Anyway, the background color doesn't change, that means you have to change that one by yourself manually. Okay. I'm going to show you how to change that by yourself. But let's return this back to what it used to be, black. Yeah, wow. So you click on update, and that's it. That's it, right? Let me leave here. Just click on just go back, then click on close this. Just going to come back to our elemental, elements, the elements that we used to build. I'm actually sounding tired now. I'm quite tired. Mm. So I'm going to quickly show you how to change colors of text. Like if I want to change this fast and profitable art service, if I want to change the color, how do I change the color? Right? How do I change this color? How do I change this image? How do I change this image here and all these colors? How do I change them? How do I change all of these things? How do I change all of these images here? How do I change them, right? That's what I'm going to be quickly showing you now. I'm going to show you, let me start with this one. So if I want to change this image, I just click on it. As soon as you click on it, you're going to see the image you want to change here. One thing you notice about this image is the fact that the background has been removed. The background has been removed actually. So there's a way if you want to remove a background of an image. Let's say you have an image and you don't want the background to show, you want to remove the background. Just go to your browser and type remove.bg. Remove.bg and open it, and something's going to open up, a page is going to open up. They're going to tell you to upload the picture you want, the picture whose background you want to remove. You upload that picture and they remove the background for you, download it back and upload it in your website. So let's say I want to change this background, I just click on choose image. So these are the images that actually came with this website, this template kit. So I come to upload file. Let's say I want to upload the image from my laptop. Click on upload files, click on select files. It's going to go into your laptop. Then you click on, let's say you have them in your downloads folder, click on downloads or whatever folder you have them, right? So let me just look for an image. Let me look for an image that I would just use, an image. Let me see if I can just get an image that I can put there. So let's imagine I want to, because I removed the background of this image. So let's imagine I want to use this one. You can see remove BG. That's because I use remove BG to remove the background of this image. So let me just select this. Let's imagine that's what I want to replace it with. I click on add. So it's showing here now, and I click on insert media. You can see that the image has changed, right? The image has changed. That's it. I want to change this color here to red. Click on it. Click on see style. Click on style. See the color here. Click on it. Then change to red. Drag to this point. Then drag to the reddest red, the reddest of reds. You click on update. Same thing. If you want to change the color of any text, just click on the text. Click on style. You see text color. You click on text. Then you change, just select the color you want to change to, but I want to leave that. If you also want to increase or reduce the size of any text, as soon as you come here, you can see typography. Click on typography. You can see the font. You want to change the font. Let's say I want to change it to this one, just change it. You're going to see that it's going to reflect. Did it reflect? I don't think so. It's not reflecting. If it doesn't reflect, right, it means they want you to change the font on the way I changed those colors here. I remember when I clicked here and I went to global site something. So you go there, site settings, right? Go there and just the way I change color. This next one under global color is global fonts. That's where you change the fonts, right? So let me just come back here, and you want to also increase and reduce the size. Under typography, you can see size. So you can just increase them here. And if you are trying to click on this stuff and it's not increasing, very simple. Go back to global fonts here and increase or decrease it. So if it's not allowing you to do it, just because probably some template kits would allow you to do it here. Some template kits will not allow you to edit that stuff here. They want you to go and edit it, on the global fonts. So you come here, click on site settings, click on global fonts. Let me even show you. This video is taking longer than I want, but it is fine. So once this stuff opens up, see global fonts, select global fonts. So I don't know which one, whether it's heading 1 or heading 2 or heading 3, but let me see if there's another heading. So this is heading 1. Let me try heading 1. So you see heading 1 here, H1. Click here. You can see it now. So if I increase the stuff here, you can see that it's increasing. If I reduce it here, you can see that it's reducing. If I choose to change the font here, it's changing, right? You can see that it changed. You understand? So if it is not changing on when you're trying to edit it on your element, like using your elements, your elemental elements on the right side, just come here and get it done. Okay, come here and get it done. All right. So let me touch one or two things. There are some, also note that there are some things you will see here that you might not want to. Let's say your website doesn't necessarily need those things. You can easily delete them. Actually, you can just delete them. If your website doesn't need them, just delete it. You don't need it, right? Just delete it. So let me show you an example. Let this stuff just load up quickly. I'll show you an example right away. So let's say let me just scroll down. Let me scroll down. I'm going to show you a few couple of things right now, right? So let me say I want to remove this part. I don't really need it. This part like this now. This part that says our vehicles. This part that says our vehicles, right? I don't need it because actually to edit that part, you might first of all, what you want it to do to edit any part, right? Just click on it. If you want to edit this part now, you can see that you can edit all of, just click on it and change what you want to change. Click on it, change what you want to change. Click on it, change what you want to change. Everything, you can just edit everything. Click, click. Then you can, if you want to change the car, see the car in the background, just click here, yeah, like this. Click on it, go to style. You'll see the car here. This is the car. So this background image, the background image was like, they took a picture of that car and they just put it there like that. They now wrote all of these things on top of it, right? So that's what they did for all of them. But maybe I don't need this particular part of the website. I don't need it, right? I don't need it. So let me, if I want to remove it, what do I need to do? It's very simple. You can just come here. See this X here, click on it. It's gone. You understand? That entire section, it's called a section, is gone. So let me quickly explain something for you, right? So if you're designing a website, a web page is divided into three parts: a section, an inner section or modules, right, and elements. So this is a section. This section is housing everything here. So this is it here. You can see to say edit section. So everything here is a section. So if I delete it, if I click here and I delete this section, everything here that you have this picture, this call to act, these buttons, this everything here will be deleted. You get, then inside the section we have inner sections or modules. So this is a module or a column too, right? It can be called a column. So this is one and this is another one. If I delete this, if I right click now and I click on delete, everything, this image and everything here will be deleted. The same thing applies to this place. Then inside each column or module or inner section, you have elements. So all these write-ups, these ones that are called elements, okay? Buttons, images, everything that are called what? Elements. So let me update what I've done. Then you scroll down and you can see this stuff here. I think this stuff is, this is testimonials. Remember what I told you? How do you edit? Just click on what you want to edit. Click on what you want to edit. It's going to show up here. So for this one now, just click on testimonial, right? All the individual testimonials will show up and you edit them. Scroll down. See them here. See the individual testimonials. If I click on this stuff now, it's going to bring the testimony. So you can write your testimony here. This is my testimony. Testimony. You can remove this if you don't want it. You can say client name. Testimony. You can just use the client name. You can see now that has been edited. If I do the same thing here, everything, it will be that way. Testimony time. Testimony time. Testimony or test, whatever. So the same thing you can see now. That's how to edit your testimonials. Then if you want to edit this particular one here, just click on, first of all, see this stuff nice. What this is showing is an icon that if someone clicks on it, they're supposed to go watch your video somewhere, right? Your video is supposed to pop up from there for them to watch. You understand? It's a pop-up something. So what you need to do, if you have a video you want to put there, if it's a YouTube video, just come here and put the YouTube video link here. Copy the YouTube video link and put it here. If it's not the YouTube video, if you want to upload a video from your laptop, just click on self-hosted. Once you click on self-hosted, and they're going to tell you to you scroll down. They tell you to add. No, I don't use custom URL. Yeah, so there to choose video. Once you click on choose video, it's going to take you here. So you can select the video you want to put. So, but there's no video on this website right now. You can upload the video by clicking here, click select files, and upload your video. All right, so that's basically everything here is actually simple to do, you know. And if you don't want this, you can actually delete it. How do you delete it? You right click and you click on delete. That's all. Now see this image in the background here. You want to change it, right? How do you change this image in the background? Let me check if I can change from here. So I click on this column, go to style, right? But there's no image. So I'm going to click on section, edit section. If you want to edit a section, just click right click, put your cursor here and you right click and you click on edit section, or just click on it. Just go here, click. It's going to open up here like you want to. You can see here edit section. Then you click on style. This is our image. You can see it, our image. So I can decide to change it to whatever I want. You know, if I have images here, I can just insert whatever image I want to use here. If I don't have any image, I'm going to upload an image. Let me just change this one so you see. You can see that it has been changed, right? That's how you do all of these things. Very simple stuff. This one now is an image. Okay, so you might not be able to change the color. So if you are a designer, you can design something like this outside, maybe on Canva, and come and install it here, or if you don't need it, you just delete it. It doesn't really make any sense, right? Delete it, then you can edit this stuff. Then see this now. How do you edit this stuff? How do you edit everything here? Of course, you know, just click on it, change the number, click on it, change the text, click on it, change, click on it, change, whatever I want to change. Now see this image here. This image here, how do you edit it? This particular image, that finger, you want to remove it. How do you remove it? How do you remove it? For now, there's no way you can pick it out because it's under one. So you click on one, click on advanced. Let me try something. Click on advanced. Oh God. Why is my network behaving like this? Okay, so what was I even trying to show you? Okay, yeah. So you click on one, you click on advanced, click on advanced. Then let me see. I want to show you something now. So you see this stuff here. Just increase it, increase it, increase it. It's not working. It's not working like I want it. What can I do now? I want that. Hmm, let me see. No, I want to reduce that box. You understand? Uh, oh God. I can't remember how I did it before, though. I'm even quite tired. So I just reduced it. I want to check something if I can still pick. I just want to check something, don't mind me. So why is it I cannot pick that stuff under? I want to pick that stuff, that finger under. Okay, I guess what I did was I deleted this. Let me see, I think I deleted it. uh Okay, you can see that I cannot pick it now. So I think I deleted it because it was stressing me. So if anything is stressing you and you see that it's not really important, you can delete it. So I'm going to delete this one too now. I'm going to delete this one too now. Just right click and delete. I don't want it to stress me. I think this is okay for me. This is very okay for me, right? Then I can do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. So you have to be creative and know how to, every other thing is the same way. Just click edit, click edit, click edit, click edit, click edit. You want to change the background picture, click here, click on style. This is the image here. Change it to your own. Make sure that you observe the size. Don't just put any image, observe the size before you put. Okay, so all of these ones, you can, if you want to change this icon, click on icon library and select any other icon. Let me use this one. Click on insert. I've changed it, right? So that's how you do. So everything are very, very simple things. All these stuff now, all these ones, these are icons. These are icons that you can always change. Our works, of course, you know how to edit this one now. This stuff now, just leave it. I like it. It's an image, but I like it. But if you don't like it, you can remove it. This stuff too. Just click on it. Follow this thing. Add the number I want to add. Just do what you need to do. I have a course I have like a full course that teaches this stuff in depth and in total where I relax to teach this stuff very well. Is in my web design my web design mentorship program. If you get in, you have access to everything. But of course, I'm sure that what you are learning here already, you can easily just build your own websites. I'm very sure of that, right? So that is it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert and edit header and footer. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. This is already too long.